guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia for those of you that are brand new to my channel. Today I am participating in a DIY and decor challenge hosted by DIY Mommy, and it is the spring edition. So I will have the playlist link down below, as well as DIY Mommy's channel, so you can go check out both. And please make sure you check out the playlist after you're finished watching my video, because there's going to be lots of great ideas for spring. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like my video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe. It's free. And press that notification button so you don't miss out any of my future DIYs that I post. I post at least once a week some sort of a DIY. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you do, like I said, give me a thumbs up and enjoy the video. Here are the materials that I used. The Rust-Oleum forged hammer spray paint to make it look like metal, and then these tin buckets that I picked up at Dollarama for $1.25. They're buckets, planters, not sure what you would call them. Then I also picked up actually I had this foam from Dollar Tree. I like it because it comes in so many small pieces. And also this lavender picks for $1.25 at Dollarama. I picked these up a while ago and finally found a use for them. Well, the way I wanted to use them. And I also used black acrylic paint to prime this tray. I had picked up this tray while thrifting. I had picked it up for $5. And for obvious reasons, I wasn't very happy with the look of it. And you also need scissors, glue gun. I was planning on attaching this to the wall, so some hanging screws and things like that, wire cutters, measuring tape, a hammer, and a paintbrush. So the first thing that I am going to do is I will be cleaning this tray just with like a wet cloth, a damp cloth, not too wet because it is wood, just to make sure that all the little stuff is off of it, if there's anything stuck on it, because I don't want it to show. And then I'm going to primer it with black paint. Put the one coat on because I just want to make sure that it's all the same color, so once I spray paint it, it doesn't go darker on one side and lighter on the other. Once it's dry, I spray painted it, and I just did it until I achieved the desired look. Once it dried, I started gluing the buckets. You want to make sure that the little handles are right in the middle when you are gluing them, so they're not off to the side. I had also measured out to make sure that I'm placing them in the right spots, equal distance from each other. I originally was going to put as you saw, I put the green things in, and then I was gonna just shove the lavender picks in it. But when I did that, I had actually took the bucket off. So what I decided, I re-glued it, and then I ended up putting the picks outside and just placing the whole thing inside. I did not glue the foam to the buckets because I want this to be a piece of decor that I can style for every season, so that way I didn't want these to be permanent, so I can change up for fall colors, summer colors, or whatever I want to do with it. So here it is all done. It was such a simple DIY, but I think it turned out absolutely stunning. I love the way it looks in my dining room, which you will see shortly how I styled my buffet sideboard, with it being the centerpiece of that sideboard. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I will love for you to subscribe, and don't forget to watch all the videos in the playlist, because there's going to be tons of great ideas. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.